Hello sweetest beauties, welcome back to my channel. And if this is your first time of coming across this channel, please join the family by clicking on that red button to subscribe for more videos. And on today's video, we are preparing ginger and onion juice for hair growth. Alright, let's talk about these two ingredients and their benefits to our hair. Using onion juice is a sure method of boosting and promoting hair growth. Onion juice helps to boost the level of an antioxidant enzyme catalyst. It helps nourish your hair follicles with its rich content of sulfur. It minimizes hair thinning and breakage. It helps reverse premature graying. Onion is also rich in antibacterial properties which help to keep your scalp healthy and free from dandruff. Using onion juice on your hair helps to stimulate your scalp and improves the circulation of blood. When it comes to ginger, ginger is known for its anti-inflammatory properties and has been widely used in Chinese medicine. So with this, you can see how important it is to add ginger to your hair treatment. It increases the circulation in the flow of blood to the scalp. It also stimulates the hair follicles and encourages hair growth. If you are the type of person that finds the smell of onion unbearable, adding oil to the blender before blending it will help to reduce the smell of onion. So I added a little amount of virgin olive oil and coconut oil into my blender, then blend the mixture together. After blending it, this is the final process to sieve out the onion juice. You can use sieve or you can use cheesecloth to press out the juice. Okay, and sorry guys, when I started this process I didn't know that my camera was not recording, but thank God I was able to get this little part. You can see the amount of juice that I got from ginger and garlic, and when you look at it you see that I added a little water to help my blender to move faster and blend it very well. You can choose not to add any water, you can just blend the onion and the ginger, but I prefer to dilute it with a little water. So now you can see I've washed my hair to apply the ginger and onion juice. Let's see, there's still water on my hair. So before you apply any treatment to your hair, make sure you wash your hair so that the treatment can penetrate very well on your scalp. Okay, you cannot be applying something on a dirty scalp. Not only for this ginger and onion juice, whatever that you want to apply on your hair, like any treatment, special treatment that you want to apply on your hair, make sure that you wash your hair. That is what I just did by washing my hair. Make sure that it's clean. Okay, so oh wow guys, did you notice that my hair is growing? Like seriously, my hair is real growing. Can you see that? Oh my god, I'm so happy, like very very happy. If you have been watching my video from the day one that I did this twist on my hair, this twist is a month plus now, okay? Because I don't know if it has reached 2 months, but I know very well, I'm very very sure that this twist has reached up to 1 month. But that doesn't stop me from treating it, so I leave it, and it's another way to tell you guys that having your hair on twist doesn't stop you from doing any treatment on your natural hair, okay? Just assume that you're having a dreadlock on your hair, and if you have a dreadlock on your hair, you have to treat your hair, right? So follow that step like the same way, and do and treat your hair normally. Do your weekly hair condition, apply your deep conditioner, make sure you wash your hair with good shampoo and good hair conditioner. Make sure you apply some hair treatments that is good to your hair. I have this kind of hair that my hair doesn't grow that fast, okay? My hair grows so slow, and that's why I always do some kind of applications on my hair to boost the hair growth, and that has been helping me a lot. So that's it, guys. So if you want, you can blend it without adding water, but you can see on the video I added a little water, just a little water on the blender to help it to blend fast. But if you don't like to add water to the ginger and onion, if you just want to blend it that way, just only that without any additional water, you can do like that. But you know, this ginger and onion is a very powerful ingredient. It's very strong, so I added that water, that little amount of water in it to dilute it, and also to help my blender to blend it very well, okay? So okay, let's assume that I minus the little water that I added in it. So this from here should be the amount of water that came out from the ginger and onion that I blended, okay? Because I added little water, the water that I added in it is not that much big. So here is the onion and ginger juice. You can see that I also added virgin olive oil and coconut oil to it in order to prevent it from smelling too, you know, not everybody likes the smell of onion. Me, I don't have any problem with the smell of garlic, the smell of onion. I don't have any problem with it at all, okay? But a lot of people have problems with the smell. So if you are the kind of person, you have to add either coconut oil or any essential oil that will help to reduce the smell. I think I've talked too much, so let's get straight to the video. So this is how to apply. Reserve it in your fridge to stay like 2 weeks is okay. Highest 2 weeks, okay? 1 week, 2 weeks is okay. I believe by 1 week you would have finished using this. So before you use it, make sure you shake it very well. You see, whenever you want to use it, make sure you shake it very well before you start applying it on your hair. After you have applied this juice on your hair, you can leave it for 30 minutes to an hour before you wash it out, or you can choose to leave it till the next day. I wash my hair once in a week, so I leave mine almost to 5 days before I wash my hair. So it depends on you. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe.